Scotty, ito maganda yung pinakita natin yung sa mga top teams sa PBA nalamak nanalo tayo by 20 points. How important is this win right now lalo na patapos na yung elimination round?
I think every game right now sa amin is crucial. No, we have to play playoff game mentality starting this game. No, we know we had a tough loss last time against Meralco, but luckily we got the win tonight na nakapag-bounce back kami, and very crucial kasi alam natin yung positioning kami sa playoffs, the better yung position namin, mas malaki yung chance makapasok sa semifinals.
Si Ralph po nag-step up ngayon, halos lahat ng tira niya puro 3 points. As a rebounder at saka yung nagki-kick out ka sa mga shooters, how important is his role?
For me, hindi na ako nagulat kasi Ralph, he does that every time in practice. No, it's really a big help for us. Ang ganda lang yung nilaro ni Ralph, and hopefully coming sa playoffs, we know next man up talagang every player sa playoffs talagang crucial, no, especially sa team namin. No, hopefully it will take a motivation each and everyone sa mga teammates ko, especially coming off the bench, na be ready every time, no, na like Rob.
Yung next game natin, TNT, si Bolbol, makakalaban na natin. From what you're seeing sa mga games niya, paano mo nakita na paano mananalo Ginebra sa isang NBA caliber player?
For us, no, right now we just have to rest. No, we have a tough back-to-back game, and let's see. Pinapaubayan na namin sa coaching staff and coach team yung preparation, and for sure the more we prepare, the better we prepare sa practice, and we will be ready sa Sunday.